for electricity storage and facilitating smooth integration of the growing
14
share
लाख
of
एप्लीकेशन
renewable
इसके लिए
energy
आए
with
हैं।
its variable and
रिस्पॉन्स
intermittent
अच्छा होने के साथ ही
nature
हम
in
इस
the
पर जोर दे रहे
overall
हैं।
energy mix.
पंप स्टोरेज के जरिए हम इस प्रोजेक्ट को और बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं और इसे आगे लागू किया जाएगा जिससे कि बिजली का भंडारण और बेहतर तरीके से हो और सब तक ये फायदा, ये लाभ पहुंचे। प्रकृति का ख्याल रखते हुए ये ऊर्जा जरूरतें पूरी हो सके, सरकार इसको लेकर सोच रही है और इस पर इसके लिए रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट की दिशा में भी आगे बढ़ने का फैसला सरकार ने लिया।
Research and development of Bharat Small Modular Reactor, and 3. Research and development of newer technologies for nuclear energy. The R&D funding announced in the interim budget will be made available for this sector also.
और ये विकसित भारत को आगे बढ़ाने में मदद करेगा।
Advanced ultra supercritical thermal power plants. The development of indigenous technology for advanced
इस पर काम कर रहे हैं कि भारत स्मॉल रिएक्टर के विकास पर काम करे।
With much higher efficiency has been completed. A joint venture between NTPC and BHEL
R&D फंडिंग जो अंतरिम बजट में घोषणा की गई थी वो उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा।
800 megawatt commercial plant using AUSC technology. The government will provide the required fiscal support. Moving forward, development of indigenous capacity for the production of high-grade steel and other advanced metallurgy materials for these plants will result in strong spin-off benefits for the economy. Roadmap for hard-to-abate industries. A roadmap for moving the hard-to-abate industries from energy efficiency targets to emission targets will be formulated. Appropriate regulations for transition of these industries from the current perform, achieve and trade mode to Indian carbon market mode will be put in place. Support to traditional micro and small industries. An investment grade energy audit of traditional micro and small industries in 60 clusters, including brass and ceramic, will be facilitated. Financial support
सरकार
will be
इनके अनुसंधान यानी कि
provided for
रिसर्च और
shifting
विकास
them to
दोनों पर
cleaner
काम
forms
करेगी।
of energy and implementation of energy efficiency measures. The scheme will be replicated in another 100 clusters in the next phase. Priority 7, infrastructure investment by central government. Significant investment the central government has made over the years in building and improving infrastructure has had a strong multiplier effect on the economy. We will endeavor to maintain strong fiscal support for infrastructure over the next 5 years in conjunction with imperatives of other priorities and fiscal consolidation. This year, I have provided 11,11,111 crore rupees for capital expenditure.
ढांचा और मजबूत हो
This would
और
be
ये
3.4%
दूसरी
of
प्राथमिकताओं
our
को इससे जोड़ने की
GDP.
बात
Infrastructure investment by state governments.
जिससे क्षमताएं
We will
भारत की बढ़े।
encourage states to provide support of similar scale for infrastructure, subject to their development priorities. A provision of 1.5 lakh crore rupees for long-term interest-free loans have been made this year also to support the states in their resource allocation. Private investment in infrastructure. Investment in infrastructure by private sector will be promoted through viability gap funding and enabling policies and regulations. A market-based financing framework will be brought out. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Phase 4 of the PMGSY
प्राइवेट
will be
सेक्टर के
launched
निवेश को भी
to
आधारभूत
provide
ढांचे में निवेश के लिए
rural land related actions. Rural land related actions will include One, assignment of unique land parcel
हमें जल्दी इन
identification
सुधारों को जमीन पर उतारना होगा।
UL PIN or Bhu Aadhaar for all lands. 2, digitization of cadastral maps. 3, survey of subdivisions.
भूमि संबंधित जो सुधार
Survey of map subdivisions as per current ownership. 4, establishment of land registry. And 5, linking to the farmers registry. These actions will also facilitate credit flow
इसमें कई
and
योजनाओं की बात
other
आएगी, बायलॉज की बात आएगी,
agricultural services.
प्लानिंग की बात आएगी,
Urban
भूमि
land
सुधार
related actions.
इसके लिए
Land records in
वित्तीय
urban
समर्थन
areas
भी दिया जाएगा।
will be digitized with GIS mapping, an IT-based system for property record administration, updating and tax administration
भूमि की पहचान
will
करने
be
का काम होगा।
established. These will also facilitate improving the
और
financial
इसका
position
डिजिटलाइजेशन
of
करना
urban
होगा,
local
मानचित्रण
bodies.
करना होगा इसका।
Labor related reforms, services to labor. Our government
इसके साथ ही
will
स्वामित्व
facilitate
का
the
काम
provision
करना
of a
होगा।
wide array of services to labor, including
किसानों
those
का
for employment and
पंजीकरण,
skilling. A comprehensive integration of e-shram
ऋण का
portal
जो फ्लो
with other
है
portals
वो
will
और
facilitate
बेहतर सुगम बन
such
सके।
one-stop solution. Open architecture databases for the rapidly
जो
changing
लैंड रिफॉर्म
labor
शहरी
market,
क्षेत्र में होंगे
skill
उसका भी
requirements,
डिजिटलाइजेशन
and
किया
available
जाएगा।
job roles and a mechanism to connect job aspirants with potential
इनका updating भी किया
employers
जाएगा।
and skill providers will be covered in these
इससे हमारी
services.
जो आर्थिक हालत है, वित्तीय स्थिति वो और बेहतर होगी।
Samadhan portal. Shram Suvidha and Samadhan portal will be
हमारे
revamped
श्रम को सेवाएं दी
to
जाएंगी।
enhance ease of compliance for industry and trade.
हमारी सरकार
Capital and entrepreneurship
उन्हें
related
स्किल से जोड़ेगी,
reforms,
श्रमिकों को
financial
रोजगार
sector
से
vision
जोड़ेगी।
and strategy. For meeting financing needs
पोर्टल से उन्हें
of the
जोड़कर
economy,
one stop solution
our
पर काम
government will
करेगी।
bring out a financial sector vision and
जिससे
strategy
श्रम
document
बाजार और ज्यादा
to prepare
तेजी से
the
काम कर
sector
सकें।
in terms of size, capacity and skills. This will set the agenda for the next 5
एक ऐसा
years
तंत्र होना चाहिए
and
जो
guide
लोग
the
नौकरी
work
और
of the
रोजगार
government,
ढूंढ रहे हैं उन्हें एक सुविधा
regulators,
हम
financial
दे
institutions
सकें।
and market participants.
समाधान पोर्टल
Taxonomy for climate finance. We will develop taxonomy for climate finance for
श्रम और
enhancing
समाधान
the
पोर्टल को दोबारा
availability
नए सिरे से
of
तैयार किया
capital
जाएगा।
for climate adaptation and mitigation. This will support achievement of the country's climate commitments and green
रणनीतिक
transition.
सुधार किए जाएंगे, उद्यम से जुड़े
Variable capital
सुधार किए
company
जाएंगे,
structure.
वित्तीय
We will
आवश्यकताओं
seek
को
the
पूरा
required
करने के लिए
legislative approval for
काम
providing
कर
an
रहे हैं।
efficient and flexible
रणनीतिक
mode
दृष्टि से इस पर
for
काम कर रहे हैं।
financing leasing of aircrafts and ships and pooled funds of private equity through a
इससे आने वाले
variable
5
company
साल की कार्य
structure.
सूची बनेगी और सरकार को एक
Foreign
मार्गदर्शन
direct
मिलेगा।
investments and overseas investment. The rules and regulations for foreign direct investment and overseas investments will be simplified to 1. Facilitate foreign direct investments. 2. nudge
Capital for climate,
prioritization.
जलवायु
And
के
3.
लिए
promote opportunities
जो
for using
सरकार
Indian
इस पर
rupee
काम कर रही
as
है,
a
जो सरकार
currency for overseas investment.
की वचनबद्धता है,
NPS
प्रॉमिस है सरकार का जो
NPS Vatsalya, a plan for contribution by parents and guardians for minors will be started. On attaining the age of majority, the plan can be converted seamlessly into a normal NPS account. Use of technology.
ओवरसीज इन्वेस्टमेंट
We have successfully used technology for improving
FDI के दुनिया में उन्हें और सरल
and
किया
bridging
जाएगा।
inequality in our economy during the past 10 years. Public investment in digital infrastructure
इनका
and
prioritization
innovations
और इसकी
by the
प्राथमिकता
private
पर भी जोर
sector
होगा।
have helped in improving access of all citizens, particularly
हमारी भारतीय
the
मुद्रा
common
है, वो
people,
बाहर भी चले,
to
इस पर
market
भी सरकार
resources,
काम कर रही है।
education, health and services. We will step up adoption of technology towards digitalization of the economy. Ease of doing business. For enhancing ease of doing business, we are already working on the Jan Vishwas Bill 2.0. Further, states will be incentivized for implementation of the business reforms action plans
हमने सफलतापूर्वक तकनीक का इस्तेमाल किया है।
Data and statistics
पिछले 10 सालों में हमने ऐसा किया
collection, processing and management of
इसके
data
बुनियादी
and
ढांचे में
statistics, different
निजी
sectoral
क्षेत्र की भी भागीदारी बढ़ी
databases,
है,
including those established under the Digital India Mission, will be utilized with active use